Build a full chat, functional chat using MERN Stack and Socket.io. Here's an example for what we are going to build. So you're going to use the MERN Stack and Socket.io plus Material UI. This is a group chat currently. So you can close this group chat back to all chats. And here, you can also choose if you want to delete all chats. But I want to show you, if you open a single chat, you see that we have this option, open or delete chat. Let's say you want to start chatting. Let's say you can open a chat with a single user. You see, automatically, by the time you open the chat, we scroll to the bottom. Just also one feature. Okay, so if you go to small screen, you want to go to small screen like this. I can close this. So we can, let's say we can try to chat with this guy here. This is Abdul Muswamba, and the other one is Seth. So if you say hello world, hello there, automatically you see the other chat, which will automatically scroll to the bottom. Even though by the time you start typing, if you go to small screen, by the time you start typing, this is me here. You can see that this one is typing. This is me typing. This is me typing new message, typing a new message like this. As soon as you send, you see that the message was sent automatically. So this is what we are going to build. You are going to integrate the Socket.io in this MERN Stack application. So set the back end and also the front end. So we got a couple of features here. Can see. You can, if you click here, you can start a new chat. We can start a new chat. For example, a new chat here. Say, hello there. Back, hello there, back like this. Okay, new chat was started. So if you just want log in, and you will find the chat automatically. So these are things you are going to work on. So we can see that we got much features. So this is going to be much fun. All right. So if you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get all the notification about the new series. Okay, so we will need to fork a project, to fork startup project. So once you download the startup project, so everything is already set. So you'll just need to connect your MongoDB Atlas and also start building. So the way we are going to work on this is that we are going to, first of all, to start with setting up the designing, and we are going to start first of all designing and also installing some packages, and also connect now, or create the models and connect now our Socket.io. All right, my name is Shaban Musomba. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also like the video. Let's get started.